exploiting the poor and mercilessly punishing those who could not pay taxes.
Hey, why haven't you paid your tax?
Forgive me, sir. I can't pay any tax.
Hey,
Hey,
give me that. Get out of here, beggar.
This was the plight of the oppressed. But among them rose a beacon of hope for India, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi.
जल्दी आ रानी दे तो माइक पे चेंज कर गए
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज चंद की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो
মই হম কনকলতা প্ৰাণ বলি দিওঁ উদ্ধাৰি আনিম দেশৰ স্বাধীনতা মই হম কনকলতা
Years later, the youths took up the mantle of freedom. Kanaklata Barua, a young girl from Assam, marched fearlessly with this flag of freedom.
This flag is our pride, our identity.
Even in death, she held the flag of freedom high, inspiring generations to come. While some chose non-violence, others called for action. Subhash Chandra Bose rallied the nation with his iconic words.
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा
हम तुम्हें खून देंगे तुम हमें आजादी दो
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा
हम तुम्हें खून देंगे तुम हमें आजादी दो
His words ignited the hearts of millions, calling them to rise for freedom. Women also played a vital role in the struggle. Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, inspired hope and unity.
When the night is dark, when the waves are high, when there is a rush in the boat, when there is no pilot, then we shall know what though there will be no pilot to our boat. Go, tell him, we need him not. God is with us and we need no pilot.
अहिंसा परम धर्म है
Together with Mahatma Gandhi, they started the iconic Dandi March. Their words and actions ignited the nation together in the quest for freedom. After decades of struggle, sacrifices, and unwavering hope, the nation finally got what it yearned for: freedom. On the eve of independence, Jawaharlal Nehru addressed the nation with his iconic words.
At the strokes of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and the soul of a nation, long suppressed, find utterance.
And with independence came the responsibility to build a nation, a story of trials, triumphs, and resilience. But that, dear audience, is a story for another time. India's strength lies in its unity. Together, we carry this flame of hope for future generations. Hoga, hoga.
This flame is our future. Let's keep it alive with unity and love.
This is Bharat, a land of courage, unity, and dreams. Its story lives in all of us. And this is Bharat Ki Kahani. Jai Hind.
जय हिंद